Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm very confident all of you guys are thriving there in Euphoria, and so am I. And it's a beautiful, beautiful evening here in India right now. And yes, today, today is what? What is today? So today in India, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. It's Mahatma Gandhi's birthday, and it's an auspicious day. I think across the globe, a lot of people celebrate, but I don't know. For me, every day is auspicious. So I don't know how to find a difference between a day and another day, because for me it's just a celebration every day, and I never need a reason for that. And that is what is all alignment all about. When you're in alignment, it's all celebration every day, because your body, your mind, your heart, your soul, your spirit, everything is one, experiencing divine sacred life journey experiences as a universal phenomenon. And there is no difference between a day and another day. It's bliss every single day, and that's how I feel about me, about you, about us, and life in general, in whole, and in specific area of every area of my life. And for everybody, I feel that for all of you, you might not see the light that you are, you might not be aware still the power that you are, but I can see that. And today, with I have thought ki instead of doing a chanting, let's sing a song a little bit, because I love singing songs, and you all love listening to me. I know that. I know you guys admire my singing. Okay, let me sing. Which song? Okay, I have got a song in my mind. Let me sing that for all of you. मुझे तुम छुपके जब ऐसे देखते हो, अच्छी लगती हो। मुझको जब कहते हो तुम मुझ पर ही मरते हो, अच्छे लगते हो। ला 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 ला। मुझे तुम छुपके जब ऐसे देखते हो, अच्छे लगते हो। मेरे इतने सारे नाम है जब तुम ये कहते हो, अच्छे लगते हो। So too much of singing, huh? Right? So now let's talk about the topic which I've picked today, which is the alignment. And we all love that, right? When you are in alignment, everything is in divine order, and things just unfold profoundly, and all your experience, your creation is high vibrational and prolific. And the subject, the matter, the topic today we are talking is alignment is no compromise. Alignment is no adjustment. Alignment is no settling for anything less than you deserve. Alignment is not fitting in. Alignment is not pleasing. Alignment is not feeding your ego. When you are judging someone, or you're putting an expectation for someone to understand, agree with you for what you say, that means you are limiting your perspective. But at the same time, you can acknowledge the difference and understand, okay, this is my awareness, this is this person's awareness, and let's accept and appreciate that, and not judge for what they are saying, or judge for what they know or don't know, right? So that's what alignment is all about. It's that both might not be on the same page, on the same approach, same awareness, same timeline, but you can be on sync. What is sync? Being in sync means being on the same page. What is being on the same page means? Having the attitude to accept, to appreciate, to be non-judgmental, to be loving, to be kind, to listen, to what allow, and to be receptive, to be giving, and not asking or expecting someone to be a certain way, to speak a certain way, or to believe a certain way, or think a certain way, because everybody, these five fingers are different, and they are beautiful because they are different. They are unique because they are different, not because you want to make them in a certain way look alike. It can't be like that. That's why it is special. We all are special and precious in our own ways, So I could see we were not in agreement on certain things. But is that being in agreement is what we are seeking for? No. We are seeking for peaceful alignment. And we are seeking for sacred alignment, where we both can be on the different page, different understanding, different approach, different belief system, different cultural practices, different opinions, different awareness, but at the same time we accept and appreciate. That's in being in the sync, that accepting the difference and acknowledging the difference, and still allowing the person to be themselves, to be authentic, and not judging their opinions, not judging their belief system, and letting them be and loving them for who they are. That is being in sync. And what I'm trying to say from this thing is, alignment is not being in sync with another person, another consciousness. Alignment is being in sync with your higher consciousness, your own higher consciousness, with the source within you, with nature, with the planet system, with the galaxy, with the cosmos, with your cosmic consciousness, with the magician and alchemist that you are. When you are in alignment, in sync with your soul, your flame, your source within, with everything that surrounds you, then it is so easy and comfortable to accept and appreciate others for who they are, right? And then that's called a sync. That's called alignment. There is no compromise. That, like my father is saying this, and if I want to make this, be diplomatic and just say yes, compromise on that belief or something, and just close that matter and not have a discussion. No, then you are abandoning your truth. You are abandoning your awareness. You are abandoning your consciousness. You are not walking your talk. No, Mona, we don't want drama. Who is saying you want drama? You don't want drama, but you allow them to speak, you accept, but you have your own practices. You gotta walk your talk. You are a catalyst. You are a leader. You have your own ancient wisdom, knowledge, your consciousness. You can't fit in. You are unique and special. You are not here to agree with someone and say I'm in sync. No, that's not being on the same page, darling. Being on the same page means being appreciative of each other, being loving to each other, being compassionate and kind with each other, being understanding and vulnerable with each other, being intimate and acceptive of each other, being non-judgmental and synergizing with each other. See, you will attract people who might not be on the same timeline, on the same page with as you are, but you as a whole core consciousness will only attract people as based on your own vibrations, who are sharing the same values. They might not be seeing that in that moment, but you share the same values, you share the same purpose, you share the same similar what should I say, vision, similar vision, as a soul, as a whole individual, similar values, but a person is seeing it at that moment based on their awareness, and another is not seeing it. So what is being in sync, what is synergy, what is alignment, is that you are in oneness with the source, the soul within you, the body, the mind, everything is in so much in balance, in sync, that you are appreciative and accepting of another entity, their belief system, their body, their image, their identity, their beliefs, their practices, their values, their understanding. It's fine. Even if they say this is white, you still appreciate them for their awareness of white about this. You might see it as purple, but they feel it's white. It's fine. If you feel it's white and you're happy, then let it be. Why do I need to manipulate your understanding or awareness? I just need to lead as an example. If I believe I this is purple, and I be in sync and in alignment with my higher consciousness, with the source within, I gradually, instantly influence your subconscious, but gradually your consciousness will catch that belief that is already fed into your subconscious through my presence. So that is the process of sync. That is the process of being in alignment. That is the journey of alignment. Alignment doesn't mean, oh, I love ice cream means you will love ice cream. No, that is compromise. I love ice cream. You might love waffles. It's ulta. You might love ice cream. I love waffles. Still, we can go eat ice cream and then we can go eat waffles. That's love. But if you say, no, if I want waffles, you have to come eat and waffles with me, and I don't like ice cream, you're not eating ice cream. That's not alignment, right? But alignment is, you say I like ice cream, are you coming for ice cream with me? And you are coming, I will come with you for waffles. That's alignment. That we are in oneness. We allow each other to be who they are. We love each other with the differences. We accept and appreciate each other for who you are authentically, and the disagreements also. That has to be, because if you're same, it's boring, man. I want a different person. It's so amazing when you're opposites, when you have disagreements. There's so much to discuss, there's so much to learn, there's so much to share, Commonness is boring. Common values will always be there, because we are human beings. We share common values. But we might not be sharing common experience every day, right? But that is the beauty of life. The differences, differences. That's it. The disagreement is, the conflict is something which is pushing the boundary, and be allowing us to be the bigger, highest being, the higher consciousness, and learn and move forward, and not just fit in, compromise. Mummy, if you're saying this, it's what we correct, let's do it, that's true. No, if you have a consciousness, you have learned something, share that. But mama, if you feel this is right, let's do that for you, and I feel this, let's do that too. It's fine. You want to go to temple, I'm going to come with you. And I want to go to church, can you come with me? Let's do that. And that's called sync, that's synergy, that's love, that's alignment, right? When you're in alignment with your source within, you can influence positive changes in your environment while allowing everybody to do what they want to do in their life. Be a support system, not a manipulative system, right? So this is what I wanted to share, and the video is gone so long because I sang a song for longer time. So have fun. That's Vidania. Love and light, guys.